Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Space. So today we are back at IKEA and I wanted to show you guys some of the home appliances when it comes to kitchen organizations and things like that is available at IKEA in 2022. I know it's the beginning of the year and some of us have plans to renovate our kitchen or organize our kitchen, and some of us might be looking for places where we can buy things like that. And I would say IKEA is a best place to start because they're very affordable. I feel like their design are very sleek and very nice. Like, I love IKEA kitchen. I don't have IKEA kitchen right now. I'm planning to get the double oven here from IKEA whenever I have the fund. As you can see, they have a whole lot of kitchen organizations that will make your kitchen more functional and useful to you. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please, if you're new here today, please push the subscribe button down below and also push the notification bell, like this video, and leave a comment of some of the stuff that you'd like to shop here at IKEA. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you guys, are amazing. I know my channel is growing so fast and I'm grateful for every single one of you guys, because it's because of you guys that are watching and leaving a comment and liking my videos that is making YouTube to push it even further. So for every single one of you guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Please keep sharing my channel, keep watching, liking and commenting. So as you can see, IKEA has a whole lot of kitchen appliances, very sleek, very neatly. Like, I love IKEA's showrooms because the way they design their showrooms, like, you get so much ideas on how you want your kitchen to look, what you want in your kitchen and what you don't want in your kitchen. So IKEA also have a whole lot of kitchen organization. Like, if you're planning to create more space for your kitchen to make your kitchen more functional, IKEA is a place to come into and check some of their things out. So as you can see here, they have like this organization stuff that you can use to section your pots, your plates, your spoons and things like that, just to create a clean look and more functional kitchen. IKEA is a way to go. So guys, I hope you guys are loving this video. I hope you guys love some of the IKEA shopping videos that I've been posting, and this is going to be a part 2 of this video because IKEA added some new stuff to their catalog, and I wanted to come in here to show you guys some of the new stuff, and the video was getting so long, so I had to split it into two. So I'm going to be posting this one first because I feel like a lot of people are looking into kitchen organization and creating more functional kitchen in their home. So guys, I hope you guys love this video. Please push the subscribe button down below and I will see you guys at the end of this video. Guys, if you're looking for a wall shelf, like a wall shelf to create more space on your countertops and create more space in your kitchen, IKEA has amazing wall shelf that you can use to create more space and that clean look in your kitchen. I remember it was a year and a half ago, when I wanted to like redesign my bathroom and I wanted to create space and make it look really nice. It's IKEA that I came into to get my wall shelf, and their wall shelf are really affordable and they're really good quality. I haven't bought any appliances here before, but kitchen organizations and things like that I do buy from here. And yes guys, I hope you guys love this video. I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye.
I'm just trying to get by. I don't know how you do it. Trying to keep you off my mind. I can't hold to it. You make it easy, but too. Say you won't let go. I will keep my heart wide open. All I ask of you, baby, keep the fire burning. Come on, keep the fire burning. I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I